Welcome learners to this class. My name is Teacher Jean. I'd like us to look at rotation of negative 90 degrees about the origin. Rotation of negative 90 degrees about the origin. Negative 90 is also called negative quarter turn. Negative quarter turn about the origin. I know you've been taught this by construction, which is very, very important. But during this lesson, I want to teach you another skill. And this only applies when the center of rotation is the origin and the angle is 90. So let us look at this, learner. Draw the image P prime, Q prime, R prime, S prime of PQRS under a rotation of negative 90 degrees about the origin. P is at 1, 4, Q 1, 1, R 4, 1, and S 4, 4. Then state the coordinates of P prime, Q prime, R prime, and S prime. So learner, let us plot the object. P is at 1, 4. 1, 4 is here. So this is our P. Q is at 1, 1. 1, 1 is this. R is at 4, 1. There we are. And finally, S is at 4, 4. There. So we join the points. P to Q. Q to R. R to S. And finally, S to P. There is our object. So, learner, we want to do what? We want to do this rotation of negative 90 degrees. Negative, learner, negative means that you rotate it in the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction, learner. 90 degrees means that the image lands or will be obtained in the next quadrant or the immediate quadrant. It is good to put that in mind, the immediate quadrant. And then what happens is that you just interchange the coordinates. The coordinates are interchanged, and the signs now, the sign of the coordinates depends on the axis. You just interchange the coordinates and then you look at the axis. So let us start with this one. P is at 1, 4, learner. Look at this. P is at 1, 4. So you just interchange. So you say 4, 1, but you now look at the y-axis. 4 is there and 1 is here, but now it is negative. So P prime comes there. So it will be 4, negative 1, because this object is moving in the clockwise direction. Look at that, clockwise direction in the immediate quadrant, the next quadrant, this one here. So P was at 1, 4, and therefore here it will add on 4, negative 1. The sign of 1 has changed because of the axis. We go to Q. Q is at 1, 1, and therefore here, even if you exchange, you'll get 1, negative 1. So Q prime comes there. R is at 4, 4, 1. 4, 1, and therefore it will be 1, 4. That is 1, not 4 now, but negative 4. It was at 4, 1. Look at that, learner. 4, 1. You just interchange. You get 1, 4, but not 4 now. It is negative 4 because of the y-axis there. We go to S. S it is at 4, 4. So you just interchange. You talk of 4, negative 4. 4, negative 4. There we are. And therefore from there, you join the points. This is P prime to Q prime. You move on like that. You go to R prime to S prime. There we are. And finally, S prime to P prime. And this is our image. This is our image. And therefore, where are these coordinates? We are told to state the coordinates. P prime, therefore, is at 4, -1. Q prime is at 1, -1. S prime is at 4, -4. And S prime is at that, sorry, I omitted the R. R prime is at 1, -4. 1, -4. So those are the coordinates. You just get them from there. So learner, I hope you have got the skill. Go and practice. Go and practice. If it is negative, it is in the clockwise direction. 90 means the image just goes to the immediate or the next quadrant. Then what do you do to the coordinates? You just interchange, and then the sign will depend on the axis. So thank you. Go and look at this question, learner. There we are. You have the object here. Rotation is the same, -90 degrees about the origin. These are the answers for your image points. Go and practice on that. Also note something here, learner, which is very important. If you are given a rotation of -90 degrees, it is the same as positive 270 degrees. So if you are told to do this rotation of a reflex angle positive 270, you just do the one of -90 degrees. Otherwise, go and practice. God bless you.